And I believe, Julian, you're moderating the question, right? What did you see from questions so far?
So the first question, Reinhard, is how long after I get the green card do I need to operate the business?
So it's a brilliant question, because it almost gives me a chance to talk about two different things. One is how long after you get the green card initially. This is a 2-year time frame. So after you got the green card initially, it is then issued as a conditional green card, which means it's conditional to you running the show. But after your condition is removed, you can exit the business immediately. You can, in theory, leave the very next day.
Another question is, I see that there are only 10,000 EB-5 visas available per year. Other categories have over 50,000. How likely am I to get EB-5 approved?
That's a good question, and I believe the question comes from certain visa categories are oversubscribed. Not here for this kind of visas. For the EB-5, there are 10,000, and they have not been oversubscribed in the recent history. And again, I do not see that coming soon. Don't worry about the 10,000 number, because the oversubscription is not likely to happen.
And the last question that came in is, instead of bundling in a regional center, can I co-invest, for example, with my brother to keep it in the family?
So can I co-invest with my brother to get a green card for my brother and myself? If I only invest 1.8 million, the answer is no. However, can your brother invest with you and you get one green card out of it, meaning only for you or for your brother? The answer is yes. However, what you could do is you could bundle two together and make two investments out of the two siblings. And we see that sometimes is that one runs the real estate component, the other one runs the organizational component. So in a way, find your own structure. But the quick answer is every investment of 1.8 million equals one green card issued per family, and the brother does not count as your immediate family.